Hey guys, we are at Myrtle Beach finally, and I thought I'd do a room tour, show y'all our really nice room. We are staying, I think the Wyndham Towers something. I got it on a piece of paper over here. We just got here, just got in the room, so I thought I would show you kind of before we trash it. Wyndham Vacation Resorts Towers on the Grove in North Myrtle Beach. And this is really a nice room. Let me show you. I thought we was getting a side view, but we actually got an ocean front. So I love the way this thing is set up. Let me show you right quick. Okay guys, I am at the door fixing to walk into our room, which is really nice. The walk in is a kitchen here. It has a full stove, microwave. Ever seen a room laid out with all the utensils? Nice. Coffee pot. I'm glad I brought coffee. I mean, look at that. Really nice. It's even got a dishwasher down here. And a black refrigerator with some cabinets. Really nice. Everything in the room is free because we are a guest. It's really nice. This is what it looks like from the front door. And there's a nice mirror there on the wall. Then this is the bathroom. Got a nice sink. Towels. We get to use all the towels we want. I love that color. Look, they even got a built-in mirror for me to put makeup on. Nice. And I didn't know they had this. My husband's like, oh, you're going to live in this big old tub. Look at that. Big jacuzzi tub. Really nice. I love that. With jets. Yes. Really nice. Trash can. Then you walk in this area here. This is just like where the hot water heater or whatever is. There's a washer and dryer here. A little stackable one. 2 beds. They said this room actually sleeps 6 people. Got towels on the bed for you. I love the color scheme in here. Really beautiful. And then over here we have like a bench with 2 chairs at the table, coasters. Even got the thing. What do you call them? Placemats. So you got placemats. It's really nice. And here's a TV. Here. Really nice with the dresser. That's all our stuff laying on the bed. Got a nice alarm clock. It's really pretty. I love those pillows. And these 2 windows right here, they open up. And you can close them. Like if somebody's going to make the couches on the other side, make that into a bed and sleep in there. You can close that, and that's like a whole nother room for somebody to sleep. Really cute. And you can open them up. I mean, when I say open them up, I mean literally open them up like that. So cool. Oh, I didn't show you the nice ceiling fans. Got really nice ceiling fans in here. That's the view back toward the door. Really nice and clean. I like it. Okay, now I'm going to bring you in here to the living room, which is a whole nother separate room. It's got foot props here, which I was hoping it would have. And they give us a car where we can rent free movies, because they got a little DVD player down here. So we can watch free movies while we're here, which me and my husband loves to do. Watch movies. And then there's the balcony. And this is just a whole little living room here. Got the picture on the wall up there. And that's the couch. With the footstools. My husband's sitting over there, but I'm trying not to get him in. And lamp and a phone. Look at that nice little side table. That's pretty. Oh, and you see what I like, Russell? They got plenty of plug-ins, like a big wall-mounted plug-in with a bunch of different plugs in it. So we got plenty of easy places to plug stuff. And this is some pretty curtains. It's a little bit dark in here. I have to back up a little. Curtains with shears that go out to the balcony. Oh, I just seen a shark as soon as I opened the... Oh, there's another one. Or it's a dolphin. Shark or a dolphin. There's two of them. Their fins came up and went back down. But this is our little balcony. I ain't going to go out there because it's windy and it'll be real noisy and windy. But it's kind of cloudy here today. This is our first day here, so we're supposed to have some nice days after this. But it's really nice. There's plenty of room out there with 2 chairs and a table. Anyway, that's our room tour, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing our nice room. It's really pretty. Ooh, I love how it looks when I come in here with that little ambiance lighting. So pretty. I'm going to go. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.